Hey guys, so today I thought I'd show you some of the work that I'm doing with Knip Mode. This one is from May 2019. I've already removed the staples in the pattern sheets. So you open the magazine and right in the middle is where the pattern sheets are. And there's 3 pattern sheets, okay? So you get 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I've already put the staples back on there. Okay, so we're just going to move that over there. So then what we have are the pattern sheets. Okay, you got pattern sheet A, then you have pattern sheet C and E, and so when you okay, so I'm just going to show you pattern sheet A. And you unfold it. And so it's B on the other side. And so we have here A, that page, and then B over there. And so this is how wide your pattern sheet is. So it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if I can show you. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 and 2. So that's what the pattern sheet is like, okay? And all of the lines are either red or black, which I'm a little bit disappointed by. But you see, you've got all of your pattern piece numbers in big, bold numbers, okay? And so, for example, pattern piece, so for example, this one's pattern piece number 7, right? So number 7 would be like, yeah, and that would show you what it is. So if you get your magazine, yeah, and say, so I'm making this dress here, dress number 12, okay, and that tells me that it's on pattern sheet E, and it's color black. So pattern sheet E, okay, so I've got pattern sheet E, but I also look at this, so it kind of tells me what I can expect to trace out, what the pattern pieces look like, yeah, and also on here it tells me what I need to be looking for. So pattern piece number 1 over there corresponds with, this is pattern piece number 1. So I'm scanning. So here you have number 1, and so I kind of know that number 1 is going to go like that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then that. Oh, oops, no. It's gonna go like that, right? And then over there, and there's a dot, and then it goes over there, and we have kind of like the neckline, and then we go down here. Oh, and that matches with that. Okay, so I'm gonna get tracing and wish me luck.